is Austin Anthony, and today we're going to be opening slime. So, you see this? You pull it off, and see this one, he's sneaky. That boy's sneaky.
Women's volleyball begins intramural practice in May.
You don't have to lose your mouth.
Tryouts in August.
You don't have to lose your mouth.
On June 1st,
Okay.
pay to banker.
So now you see one of these. You push it up. Then you see these flaps. You put them up. Then you see this box. You open it. Then you need to get out this in here. See, now I have them out. That is how you unbox the slime that is also glow in the dark. Make your own glow slime. Remember, just add water. Bye guys. Hope you see me on the next video. Make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe and ring the bell button.